So this is the image I'm going to use. I am on Pixel Studio. So the first thing I'm going to do is to add the brightness contrast adjustment layer. So left click here and then select brightness contrast. So I'm going to move the window up. So now I'm just going to increase the contrast here. So as you can see, it's darkening the dark areas and brightening the bright ones. So I think I'm going to leave it here and now click on the X here to exit. And now I'm going to add the adjustment layer. So left click here and then select gradient map. Now I'm going to select the middle one here, left click on it and then click on delete to delete it. And then I'm going to select the left one, left point here, the red one, left click on the color. I'm going to change the color to black. And now for this one, I'm going to change it to red. For the right point here, blue point, left click on it, left click on the color. I'm going to change it to red. So here it is, left click here and then left click here to exit. And now I'm going to add the mask layer to this gradient map adjustment layer. So left click here. So here it is. So on the mask layer, the black represents transparency and the white opacity. So for example here, since it is white, if I paint with the black color with the paintbrush, it will remove the gradient map. So now I will need to invert this mask here. So right click on the mask, select it and then right click on it and then click on invert the mask. And now I just need to paint with white on the areas here I want to affect with the gradient map, the red one. So let's select the paintbrush tool, left click, select the paintbrush tool. I'm going to left click here, select the wheel, change the color to white. So here are settings I'm using for my paintbrush, for the brushes. So I'm going to left click here, I'm going to change it to basic. I'm going to increase the settings here, I'm going to increase the size. So I think I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to increase the hardness and the flow. So for the hardness, I'm going to increase it. And for the flow, I'm going to increase it too. And now I'm just going to paint here on the areas here I want to affect with my gradient map. So here it is. So for example, here I'm going to decrease the flow and the hardness. I want softer edges. Like this. So here like this. So I think I'm going to leave it here like this. So now for example, if you want to remove some parts here, you just need to change the color here of the paintbrush. I'm going to change it to black. So for example, if I paint, so here it is, it's revealing. So I'm going to select the layers tab. So as you can see, it's revealing our layer here. So now Control Z to undo. So now I'm going to select the adjustment layer, the gradient map, not the mask, left click here. So now I'm just going to exit and now I'm going to duplicate it. So right click and then duplicate. So now we have duplicated our adjustment layer, our gradient map. So now I'm going to hide the bottom one, left click on the eye icon. And now I'm going to invert this mask here of the gradient map, select the mask, right click on it and then invert mask. So here it is. Now I'm going to select it. So I'm just going to reveal them both. Select the top gradient map, left click on the adjustment layer, left click on it. And now left click on the color. So I'm just going to move it here like this. Left click on the red point here, left click on the color. And now I can change the color. So I'm going to leave it to a blue color like this. So here it is, and I'm going to click here and then click here to exit.